Black Aeroplane is a mysterious story written by Frederick Fawcett that revolves around a pilot. The narrator of the story is a pilot who wants to be with his family and enjoy a wholesome breakfast with them in England. The Pleasant Flight, a pilot's journey through the night sky. Smooth beginning. A pilot is flying from Paris to England at night. The sky is clear and the stars are shining. Excitement and anticipation means expectation. The pilot is excited to reach home and have breakfast with his family. Everything seems perfect for the journey. Approaching the storm. Suddenly, a dark storm cloud appears ahead. The pilot has to make a crucial decision. The pilot's dilemma. Caught in a dangerous storm. Difficult decision. The pilot thinks about turning back to Paris, but he wants to reach home soon and decides to go through the storm. Entering the storm. The plane shakes violently due to a strong winds and turbulence. The compass and radio stop working. Hopeless situation. The pilot is lost inside the storm. He feels helpless as there is no way to navigate. The Black Aeroplane, a mysterious rescuer appear. The unexpected help. Suddenly, a black aeroplane appears next to him. A pilot in the black aeroplane gestures for him to follow. Guided to safety, the mysterious pilot leads him through the storm. The pilot blindly follows, trusting the unknown helper. Breaking through the clouds. After some time, he sees the runway lights. He safely lands at the airport. The mystery unsolved. Who was the black aeroplane's pilot? Searching for the pilot. After landing, the pilot looks around for his savior. He asks the airport staff about the black aeroplane. A shocking revelation. The control room tells him no other plane was in the sky. He realizes the black aeroplane was never on the radar. The unanswered question. Who was the mysterious pilot? Was it a miracle or an illusion? The mystery remains unsolved.